Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a vengeful kind of story for you guys. It's not really vengeful, it's more like friendly competition. So I don't know if you guys remember, but Alex bought a Mustang. He's a traitor, a damn traitor. He bought a new 2019 Mustang GT and he got spanked then by my wife's 2016 Camaro SS convertible that only had headers and a tune. And well, he decided to go all vengeful and decided to try to pull one over on me by ordering a Hellion Sleeper turbo kit and trying to hide it. But he didn't hide it too well because we had to install it at the shop. So here's that story.
We're doing a Hellion Sleeper kit.
Oh.
Hellion Sleeper kit. I've got a 4 fuel system with dual Hellcat pumps. I'm gonna do 93 tune and then high boost on the 85.
Does this even go back on?
Yeah, it could. We'll see. I mean, the only thing that's gonna change underneath that is the rails.
What the fuck? It's like an alien spaceship opening up.
Too bad I'm the only one who was invited.
Yeah.
This spaceship's fucking sweet. The oil pump for the turbos is driven off of a crank. So instead of having an electric scavenge pump, it's mechanical. So they have a adapter that goes onto the front of the crank. That'll drive that mechanical pump. So this bolt will go into the crank. That's the cog drive for the mechanical oil pump.
I just have to find keyway. Wow, it grabbed a little bit of keyway there. That's wild. So, there's not a fixed height on this. Basically, turn this way so it didn't fall out. They want you to slide this down and then just tighten it up.
Definitely got him down. I think they lost an engine.
Yeah, he's like,
Sir Mountain Turbsky.
yeah, it's a bit of a tight fit here.
Yeah.
This one I could tighten this. I could probably get that tightened on the side.
How's the lines coming?
Oh, I get in there. I ran them my own way. They're up here.
Where at? I see.
I don't like the big clamps that they provide, but it'll do the job.
Okay, so we're putting random things back on in order to start it up and hear the whirly woos without actually like finishing the job, right?
Yeah, we don't need to finish.
Yeah, we just need to put some coolant in it and should be good to start up. Oh, and maybe plug the MAF in. That might help.
Where is that
Or,
connected?
I don't know. Did it? Oh, look at that. Easy. Ready to rock. We've got the stealth turbo kit on here. It's so stealth that the car doesn't even know that it has turbos on it. You got it, Alex?
Got it.
Okay. What do you think?
fucking.
The blow off valves, they're called the V port. They're really tiny. Same thing as on the 17.
Yeah, they're smaller than 38, aren't they? 'Cause
Yeah, they're dink thick.
The compact is a 38.
What's all this fanciness?
All the fancy 4 fuel fittings.
Boy,
I like their fittings.
mind that.
Just like this, but it's kind of dark over here, and this is a black fitting, so I don't know if you can see this.
I
But
can see it.
like you can adjust the stop, so you get a it's not a fixed angle. You can put it wherever you want.
How's it coming along?
Nicely, actually. The crossover line in the front is here. This system was designed to go in one rail and out the other. And then I'm going from the back U there to here.
So it goes there.
And that'll go to that one. And then this one has to loop around to this guy right here. That'll go back to the tank.
Wow.
I gotta go from that one in this regulator, out of this, return to the tank.
Wow.
It's my first dual regulator setup. Interesting how they accomplish that, but hey, if it works, it works.
I swapped out the fuel pump module for the 4.
Sweet.
Nice, isn't it?
That was one solid movement.
It's better than beating on it with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see this, but pumps are in, connectors for the 2 pumps, and then since the factory fuel control module's over here, I put the 4 one over there.
Oh wow, look at that.
And I took this off because I'm going to take the positive, main positive, out, and the hob switch wiring out. Although I do have to run another wire back over here because I need to trigger the factory fuel pump.
It's actually looks pretty cool the way it fits.
Yeah, no, it fits pretty well. I like that. I mean, you can put the rear 2s back here, right there. I like V-bands whenever possible because it gives you some room to rotate things.
Putting the ground right
Yeah, I mean, it's
there.
pretty darn perfect location.
Look at that.
Yeah, I quite like that. Fancy.
That's all tightened down.
Yep.
Fuses in place.
Yep. We'll hook this up when the vacuum block shows up.
Oh shit! Look at that. Very nice.
I need some more fittings, but
Yeah.
fittings.
Otherwise, looking good though.
Yeah, I got 2 blow valves to hook up here, and then the boost controller will be inside. Well, it's the same sticker for a 4-cylinder and a V8. You don't hear any turbo noise.
Can't hear
None.
That's crazy, man.
I am.
Oh boy. Yeah. This looks really nice in there. It's simple.
Then we have Christmas parties. And then we have New Year's.
Fish. Okay. Oh, that's freaking sweet.
Oh boy. She's a little smoky. Why is she smoky? It's all new piping. Hopefully that's why. Otherwise it's gonna suck when Alex's car burns to the ground. Amazing tuner Alex doesn't know that the brake's on. Look at him trying to go. Oh, he figured it out. He got it. I feel like 620 is still my guess. Oh, 639! 639.
$704.
It felt a lot better.
Wow. I didn't know they use radioactive fuel in Mustangs. Shouldn't we be like wearing suits or something? Probably. $757.
Made 757.
Yeah. That was just more boost?
Yeah, it was only like a pound of boost.
Holy crap.
So that made almost 11 pounds. I'm going to put a fail safe in there of 12. Power.
You rev this bitch out now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not to the limit.
More than 500 horsepower. That's what we're aiming for.
Tiny bit more.
A smidge. Okay, let's blow this fucker up. How it sounded healthy. 871.
Wow.
It did hit over boost. 871. It hit over boost like right at the top. 871. Shit. I have to say that I am very, very impressed with what the Hellion Turbo Systems sleeper kit did. I mean, this is the base turbos, the no brand kind of turbos that I mean, it's just, they're making power. 870. And I got to admit, one thing that's just crazy to me is that the damn engine stock. You cannot do this on a Camaro SS because the LT1 engine will pop at that point. Like, there's no 800 plus LT1 stock LT1 guys. They all have to have a piston upgrade or piston and rod upgrade to even get to that point. And this thing's doing it on the damn stock engine. All he's got is like a fuel system upgrade, you know, the 4 fuel system that you saw us install. He's got E85 in it, and the turbo system. It's like nothing. What the hell? I mean, it really, I gotta admit, it gives us Camaro guys a bad rap that our low end doesn't have the, like our SS doesn't really have the same potential as the stock Coyote. It's kind of crazy, but really cool, very cool. We're excited to see what happens. I will have to come up with a retort to this because there's no way that my wife's headers only Camaro is going to be able to keep up with that. So let's see what kind of shenanigans we get into. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.